Here's a full-length YouTube-style article in English about the Tarankan 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift, Young Generation Ki Jaan, written for an Indian audience, about 1500 words, continuous text, no headings. The all-new 2026 Swift is one of the most exciting launches in the Indian hatchback scene in years. For over 2 decades, the Swift has been a staple choice for young urban buyers, first-time car owners, small families, and anyone who wants a car that feels fun, practical, stylish and affordable all at once. The 2026 iteration takes everything people loved about the Swift and ramps it up for a new generation of drivers who want more style, more efficiency, more technology, more safety and more driving excitement. With a fresh design that looks sharper and sportier than ever, the 2026 Swift makes a statement on Indian roads. The front fascia sports a bold honeycomb grille, sleek LED headlamps with dynamic daytime running lights, refined bumpers and available dual-tone paint options that give it an athletic stance. The aerodynamic profile coupled with new 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels ensures that this compact hatchback doesn't just blend into traffic, it stands out wherever it goes, making it perfect for city streets and highway drives alike. Dr. Forum Clinic Joerake. At the heart of the 2026 Swift is Maruti Suzuki's commitment to delivering exceptional fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The latest model introduces a new 1.2 Yojachin LITRE Z series petrol engine paired with mild hybrid technology that strikes a perfect balance between power and economy. The hybrid system works intelligently to assist the engine during city driving, enhance low-end torque, reduce fuel consumption and even bring regenerative energy recovery into the mix. The claimed mileage figures are phenomenal, up to 30 to 42 km per liter depending on the variant and driving conditions. This kind of fuel economy makes the Swift exceptionally cost-effective to run, especially when fuel prices are high and daily commuting distances are long. Whether you're navigating through bumper-to-bumper city traffic or cruising on expressways, the Swift's engine delivers smooth, responsive performance that feels confident and composed. Dr. Forum Clinic Joerake. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Swift feels like a premium experience rather than a budget hatchback. Maruti has clearly paid attention to the details that matter most to young buyers. Step into the driver's seat and you'll notice the modern, driver-centric dashboard with soft-touch materials, comfortable upholstery and a layout that feels intuitive from the first moment. The centerpiece of the interior is a 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Joule touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands and connected car technology, ensuring you stay connected without distraction. The system is responsive and easy to use, making navigation, music streaming and hands-free calls effortless. Beyond the touchscreen, features like automatic climate control, push-button start-stop, rear AC vents, wireless charging and fast USB-C ports add layers of convenience that everyday commuters will appreciate. Paragliding But the Swift isn't just about looks and gadgets. Safety has become a major priority for Maruti Suzuki with the 2026 model. Today's drivers expect their cars to be secure and crash-worthy, and the new Swift answers that call with a significantly enhanced safety package. Top trims come equipped with 6 airbags, electronic stability program (ESP), hill hold assist, anti-lock braking system (ABS), with electronic brake force distribution (EBD), rear parking sensors and a rear view camera. These features help protect occupants and make driving in crowded urban environments or on winding roads much more confident. The improved structural rigidity and safety systems reflect Maruti's dedication to creating vehicles that meet modern safety expectations, giving both new drivers and families peace of mind. Paragliding One of the Swift's legendary strengths has always been its versatility in drivability in Indian conditions, and the 2026 version builds on that legacy beautifully. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb potholes and broken road surfaces with ease, making city travel less jarring and more comfortable even on rough stretches. The steering is light yet precise, ideal for sharp turns, parking maneuvers and navigating narrow lanes without stress. The compact dimensions, typically around 5 seats, and smart cabin packaging make the car easy to live with, whether you're driving in megacities like Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore or smaller towns and suburbs. At the same time, the Swift's highway manners are composed, Overtaking is confident, acceleration feels adequate for everyday use, and the ride remains balanced even at higher speeds, making weekend getaways more enjoyable. K&M. Another reason the Swift holds a special place with young buyers is its affordability and cost of ownership. Maruti Suzuki has priced the 2026 Swift competitively, with ex-showroom prices starting from the mid-6 lakh rupees range for base variants and rising appropriately for fully loaded trims with hybrid tech and premium features. This kind of price point is hard to beat for a car with such comprehensive features, modern safety, excellent mileage and strong brand trust. Additionally, Maruti's extensive service network across India means that servicing, spare parts and resale value remain strong factors in the Swift's favor. Added perks like extended warranties and roadside assistance packages give owners confidence that they're buying not just a car, but peace of mind. Paragliding.in. When people talk about why the Swift resonates so deeply with the Indian young generation, it goes beyond just specifications. It's about emotional connection and practicality. For many first-time car buyers and young professionals, the Swift represents freedom, mobility and independence. It's compact enough to be affordable and easy to handle, but stylish and fun enough to still feel aspirational. Over the years, the Swift has built a loyal community of owners who recommend it to friends, share stories online, customize their rides and even proudly hit high mileage milestones with their cars. That kind of loyalty doesn't come just from good numbers, it comes from real-world happiness and satisfaction with a product that feels like it was designed for you. Navbharat Times. The Swift has also won its popularity on the sales charts. In early 2026, it emerged as India's top-selling hatchback, beating strong rivals like the Maruti Baleno, Tata Tiago and Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, a testament to its enduring appeal and the success of the new 2026 update. Its mix of efficiency, affordability and desirability keeps it at the top in a segment that's fiercely competitive. For many buyers, driving a Swift isn't just about running errands, it's about owning a car that turns heads, feels modern and still makes perfect sense for everyday life. Navbharat Times. Looking forward, the Swift's 2026 launch also symbolizes how the hatchback segment is evolving in India. With increasing fuel prices, changing lifestyle needs and more tech-savvy buyers, cars like the Swift are redefining what a compact daily driver can be. The integration of hybrid tech, larger infotainment screens, advanced safety gear and more premium interiors, all without pushing the price too high, shows a shift in the market where buyers no longer have to choose between affordability and innovation. They can have both, and the Swift is leading that charge. Paragliding.in. In conclusion, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift stands tall as one of the most complete hatchbacks in India today. It combines the practical strengths that made it popular in the first place, efficiency, reliability, affordability, with modern upgrades that appeal directly to the young generation, stylish design, advanced tech features, strong safety credentials and fun driving dynamics. Whether you are a first-time car owner, a young professional commuting daily or someone who just wants a reliable, economical and exciting ride, the new Swift makes a compelling case. It's not just a car. It's a trusted companion on India's roads, and a reminder that great things really do come in compact packages. Dr. Forum Clinic Jodh 1